Welcome back to Poetry and Police. Yes, so I have noticed nowadays, based off of my observing, that this DJ Popkaan'S, the Unruly Boss, is finally living up to his name as the Unruly Boss. Because he's becoming more unruly as the day goes by, and his fans are following him, the boss, just like how they follow the world boss. No, everybody want to be boss in Jamaica nowadays. As an artist, have some kind of fame and is making some money, then he's a boss now because he has the amount of followers that he has. He has to please his followers. Now, I knew Popkaan'S, see this little boy in Tree West growing up and heard that he was a musician and he make him career. I'm proud of him. I'm proud of him. As a little youth come from Tree West, make it and I make some money. But Popkaan'S, listen this, brother. You are making some money. Not to turn the Jamaican people against the police. Not to tribalize the Jamaican people, but rather you should use the money that you're making to do some kind of positive to your community. Yes, Popkaan'S. I know you do the yearly thing in Tree West on that field over there where you give the kids, you give back to your community. And I am proud of you with that, my brethren. But even though I'm proud of you for doing that, brethren, and I am proud of you for bringing the Jamaican dancehall music worldwide, brethren, I believe that you are doing a good job. But, brethren, what you need to understand, that all that good job that you're doing can be erased by doing something negative, brother. Because what you are doing now is so negative, brethren. First of all, the St. Thomas thing. And now, another thing again, brother, like this. Why are you getting in altercation with police officers? You must remember, Popkaan'S, that you say you are the unruly boss and you run your fans. So if the police intervenes because your fans are carrying out illegal activities in the streets, then you should step in as the real big man now and not fight against the police, rather to talk to your fans, brethren. Control your fans, brethren. Them say with true power come with true responsibilities. So you need to start controlling the power that you have with your followers, them. Let your followers follow the law. Follow the law to the T, brethren, and stop getting yourself involved with police. Stop getting yourself arrested by the police. Because you cannot blame the police for arresting you every time because you're in some kind of breach. And I don't know why all these DJs or people in Jamaica feel like as soon as they start making a whole lot of money, they are supposed to be unruly. They are now above the law. And they can do anything that they want to do, especially when they have followers. You must remember, the brethren, that the fame that you get is not to destroy Jamaica and not to destroy the Jamaican society, but to build the Jamaican society, brethren. Build the Jamaican society. Be positive, man. Talk to your fans. Yes, man. Talk to your fans, Popkaan'S. Lay out certain foundations to your fans, brethren, that anywhere you go, they're not supposed to behave a certain kind of way. And trust me, they will follow in, brethren. What you people seem to don't understand is that people will follow you into hell, Popkaan'S, once they are your followers, brethren. So you believe that they're not going to follow you to do the right thing? If you look on your fans and say, yo, the police arrive, you take control of the situation, brethren. Because I'm sure if you say, yo, every man stop the noise, everybody are going to stop them nice, me I tell you that. And you deal with the senior officer on the ground on a one-on-one level, and you listen and you work out something with the senior officer on the ground. Now, if illegal activities is being carried out, the officer will point that out to you, and you will go back and tell your fans that, listen me, desist from doing this. But no, nobody, you feel what you feel. So you're going to lose fame if you do that, brother. You're not going to lose any fame by doing that. All you will gain is respect from people who genuinely respect you and want to see you do good in Jamaica and does not want to see you go to jail. So you believe that everybody who follow you and say Popkaan'S means you all the best in the world? No. The only people who mean you get say your mother and father. Me I tell you that straight. So if tomorrow comes Popkaan'S and God forbid something bad happens to you and your fame and everything gone, you think those people are going to still be around, brother? Those so-called fans and followers who want to kill for you and mash up police for you and create problems in the society for you. You think they are going to be around? They are going to leave you, my youth, and go to another fan and go to another DJ who them can go on with the same slackness again. If a man is going to be your follower, Bridget, and him can follow the guidelines of the law as stipulated, Bridget, and can follow, if you say, yo, stop them wrongdoing there and don't do this, and I don't want that. If a man cannot do that, then a man no deserve to be following you, Bridget. That is all I am trying to say to you, Popkaan'S. You need to learn and listen. They say warning is good for the soul, you know, brother. And if I am, as an ex-detective, right, and ex-policeman, I warn you, brother. I am warning you, Popkaan'S. Take heed, brethren. There's a certain way of doing things when it comes to law.